two groups is the presence of a backbone. Vertebrates have backbones while invertebrates do not. Organ system under these two groups can be further categorized based on their an ini
Anatomy.
anatomy, feeding habits, movement, reproduction, components of organ systems, adaptation,